Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's Gils's Kicks. Y'all new around here, y'all already know what to do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn those post notifications on, man. This video, I'm gonna be telling you the untold truth that they don't want you to know why most resellers fail. The first one that I believe why most resellers fail is they get unmotivated. So some of y'all might not have this as a full-time or something, or have a part-time and also are doing this as a part-time side hustle. So I just feel like some people just get unmotivated because they're like, alright, this is not bringing me so much money, or like some dry months, some dry releases, they lose money, they don't make money, or they cut out even. If you have this problem getting unmotivated, just get yourself around people that are motivated, that'll boost your ego. And if you don't have that people around you, you're just a lone wolf, just put positivity into your mindset. Take all that negativity out there. You're not going to make money. That sneaker reselling is dead. Take all of that out of your mind because it's not true. You're still going to make money. There's still going to be future potential to make money always. What I like to think is that the demand is high, but supply is low, it's always going to resell. So as long as the demand is high for whatever you're going for and supply is very limited, if you get a couple of items, most likely they will resell. Another reason why most resellers fail is because they don't understand that there's profits and losses. As fast as you can make money, you can lose the money or you can cut out even. Don't think it's because you have something in your shelves for months and you can't sell it and you can't flip it or nothing. Try at least to cut out even, and if you take a little bit of a loss, just learn from that. Don't take no negativity or nothing. Just try to learn from your losses. For example, my dunk lows, those I'll get like 200 profit at least. But there might be some other items that I'll only make like $10-$20, or some that I'll even cut out even. Some I even have to return a Foot Locker, like the Flints. I had too many pairs of size 8, so I just went to go return them to Foot Locker because I couldn't sell them. And then there was a release coming up, so I needed the money for that release. Another thing you should do is keep track of your budget. I know it's hard to keep track of with all your budgets, especially if you're getting a lot of shoes. If you're getting a lot of shoes and a lot of items and you're reselling, you're gonna want to have this like in the Google Sheets or on the notes on your phone. This will help you keep track of your profits, your losses, and stuff that you break even, to make sure that you're at least making something by the end of the month. That's why I feel like people get unmotivated. Like by the end of the month, they don't see big numbers as like they think they should see, or they compare themselves to other people. Don't compare yourself to nobody else, alright? Everyone has their own journey and everyone has their own budget. Just keep track of your own stuff and don't pay attention to nobody else or how much money somebody else is making. That doesn't matter. It's all about you and what you need to do. So probably one of the biggest tips I could give y'all why most resellers fail, and this is so common. People don't think it's common, but I really think it's common. A lot of people get Hollywood. What I mean by this, people get Hollywood as in they see they had a couple of good months, even a great year, and they think money's just gonna keep coming in. So remember like last month there wasn't like no drops. If you made money, it was from low-key cooks or it was from some lunch money shoes that you could have got. But other than that, last month you couldn't really do nothing of profit. So people get Hollywood as in they see that they got some Dior shoes. Let's say you won the Dior shoes. Instead of reinvesting that money back into the sneaker game after you sold them, people just go and buy like some Gucci, some Louis Vuitton, some Supreme, and cash out and all this stuff, which I think is a big no. This you should not be doing. You should be putting the money back into the sneaker game and doubling, tripling that money down the months. And then after, you can probably buy something little, but don't be cashing out. Like I see big resellers all the time buying a car, like buying some Louis Vuitton $2,000 bags. All of this, that money can really have went to more shoes and more profits down the line if you think of it as the long-term game. But a lot of people have that mindset of the short-term game, that they just want to gain, and like they see the money short-term, and then that's why they don't always grow, because they keep wasting their profits. How do you expect to grow when you're eating up your profits? Don't get Hollywood, alright? That's just my big suggestion. A lot of people don't think, oh yeah, once I get all this money, I will not get up there and I won't start cashing out and stuff. But it's way different when you have the money in hand. You gotta learn how to control the money and not let the money control you by wasting all this stuff on materialistic things like a Gucci wallet that I don't even need. It was just gifted to me. But this stuff I will not go out and buy. Me personally, I will just keep reinvesting the money. Also with this reinvesting the money, and this is your side hustle and you have a job, you can actually make this your full-time job a lot faster the more profits that you reinvest into your side hustle. Pretty much you reinvesting all your profits. Down the line, you're gonna be seeing a lot of more success and a lot of more profits and a lot of more cops. It's gonna be like a snowball effect. You're just gonna be pushing down the snowball. It's gonna start small, and then with the profits gathering up, it's gonna keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. You're gonna be making enough money to quit your actual job and do this as a full-time. Or even if you don't want to make this as your full-time, you just want it as a side, just to pay for some bills, to go to the mall and buy something new and get Hollywood, and that's on you, but I'm just saying for the people that are getting started, I just don't want to see y'all go down this road. Another thing, make good friends, good connections. Make sure you have a group of people around you. Like I said, if you're a lone wolf, that's good, but if not, try to get some people around you. Whether it's local meetups in your city, whether it's just meetups in general when you're selling to somebody, or anybody that you know that's pretty big and you want to communicate with them and get information off them, and you give them information also. Don't just make this a one-way road, because then they will know that you're using them and then they'll just throw you to the side. To be honest, nobody wants that, somebody that's just grimy and just thinks all about themselves, because then that person's gonna feel used. And why would he want to feel used when you could be making all this money? They're wasting their time literally to communicate with you just so you can be grimy when they can be out here getting money and local deals and all of this other stuff. Or even then, if you don't have friends and you're a lone wolf, just try to go like on Discord. You could go to your bot Discord or your cook groups. There's multiple people out there that just want to communicate and want to give you knowledge, and you can share back knowledge with them, what you know, and learn off each other and grow throughout time. Another tip that I don't really see that many people doing, which I would like more of, because there's a lot of steals in this. Buying used goods. Buying used goods, this can be very good as profit wise, because some people would actually, you could throw some lowballs out there. Some people would actually just take that because they're just trying to get rid of the item and nobody else probably but you has just contacted them, so they're just like, alright, this is the only contact I got in the past few months from trying to sell this. You throw a lowball, they might go for it. It's not always good to throw lowballs. I really don't like getting lowballed. I know how it feels to get lowballed, and it's not a very good feeling. I don't recommend everybody just go out there and go to OfferUp, Facebook, and all of these marketplaces just to throw lowballs. Only because they're used don't mean that you gotta throw these lowballs and like, you know that you're gonna make profit of it. You're just trying to make more profit by throwing even a lower ball. Like, I don't recommend that, but if that's what you want to go do, get your money and stuff. But sometimes the sellers will get frustrated and not answer back to you because you're being too much of a lowball, and you might be known in the community as that. I think that there's some used items that are way better and can be more profitable than dead stock shoes. So dead stock items are not always the best ones, like dead stock shoes. Like, you could get some shoes for like $100, like some Yeezys that are used, and then you can clean them up and restore them, and then pretty much just sell them for like $200-300. Or even then, if you don't sell them for $200-300, you can still make some lunch money off it. Sell it for $150-130. Just try to make some profits. Just remember, you're a hustler. You go get this money. Sneaker buying is not just your main priority. There are multiple stuff out there that you can do, like low-key cooks, how I mentioned. And you want me to do a full video covering low-key cooks like bicycles, pools, Pokemon cards, basketball cards, baseball cards, and all of that. It's the same side hustle, but it's a different side hustle, if you get me. It's like different knowledge, but it's pretty much the same way that it works. Hey, I just wanted to let y'all know, man, just stay focused out there, alright? Just stay focused. Don't get unmotivated. Put some positivity into your mind. Get people around you. If you can't get people around you, I know it's COVID-19 and everything. On Discord group, try to get somebody just to talk to, somebody just to motivate each other with. There could be some bad months like last month. There could be some good months like this month. There's gonna be a lot of profits in this month, next week, the couple of weeks that are coming up. Just don't think that the sneaker game is dead or sneaker buying is dead, because it's far from that. Like I said earlier, if the demand is high and the supply is low, most likely that item is gonna resell. And if it's really low and the demand is super high, you might expect some double or triple or even more profits than what you paid for. So places like eBay, Facebook, OfferUp, all of these places, you could try to go see if they have used items. Search up groups in your city that have a group that are people that are reselling stuff or selling like shoes, used shoes, and try like to send them an offer like around what they want, only if it seems profitable. That's another way to get money on the side besides sneaker buying and low-key cooks. This can really help out down the line. I believe there's a lot of money to be made and to use, but I personally don't do this myself. I don't know, I just don't like dealing with other people's shoes. That's their shoes. I don't really want to get into that. But if you want to be a hustler and go that extra step, then I recommend for you to do this. If y'all enjoyed the video, you're new around here, I have a playlist linked in the description. Go check that out. It has all of my videos, or if not, you can go through my YouTube channel and see what provides you the most knowledge or the most entertainment. So this has been Gil's Kicks. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also, comment down below, what was your biggest loss or your biggest profit that you have ever made? On what item? And how long did you hold that item for before selling it? With that being said, it's been Gil's Kicks, and I'll see you on the next one.